pile of debris. All right, everyone, we are anchored right under the bridge here. Right here. I wanted to anchor on this side because we've got that debris pile over there. Got a debris pile over, kind of a debris pile over there. I'm gonna try to take my drone into there and kind of scan along underneath, see what the underneath of the bridge looks like from this debris pile all the way over to that one. I think we have about 40 minutes left of good daylight until it starts to get dark. Of course, the drone doesn't care because underwater it's got lights, but Jen cares because she wants to go home and get takeout tonight. I want takeout too. I do. No, I do.
You're a badass.
Badass.
You're
Thank
a badass. You got blood on your ear.
Yeah, I know. I know. Did you guys see the blood? That's from the thorns.
I've got a few
Let's get this
here.
drone search started. We'll be here for a little while and then we're done for today. So hopefully we spot what we're looking for. One last search of the day. Hopefully not as hopeless as the other places felt.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get going. Let's do this.
Do it.
How bloody is my ear anyway?
Not too bad. If you washed off, it'd be fine. Just probably a little prick. But still very painful, I'm sure.
I don't feel anything.
When it happened?
Yeah, when it happened, it hurt like crazy. Perfect spot. Like I can just drop it in right here and control it easy. I love our anchor, it works really well.
I guess Walmart's not so bad after all.
Was it Walmart?
Yeah.
It was.
Some things are good at Walmart. Some things, it's like a crapshoot, really.
I know.
Am I allowed to say that?
Sure.
Sorry, that's not a thing.
It talks.
It sounds like you're playing one of those 80s video
hello.
games.
It says hello. So Wi-Fi connects to that unit. And then once the Wi-Fi is connected, I launch the chasing app. All right, everyone, I got 15% power. And so just enough to get this thing, oops, back to the boat. Found some cool bottles down there, and like a little kid's, I couldn't tell if it was a bow, like a hair bow or some kind of weird, we'll take a look at it on the big screen. Tell me what you think. But we did this, I did this section, a lot of this section. I might come back and do some more of this just to keep scanning under the bridge. See what else is under here. I barely did between these two pilings. See, the current takes the tether all the way down, and so it's doing a big curve. That's why it was pulling on it before.
It's gonna be fun.
It's very difficult in a river, I gotta say, like, no doubt. Good. Whew. Okay, so that was Beach Creek / South Fork Holston River weed search and bridge search. That's what I'm going to call it.
There was a ground search.
And ground search. We did a ground search too. So
all of it.
We did all of it. Ground, water, weeds.
Yeah.
How'd you feel about today?
I'm glad we came. I thought it was. I don't know, I thought it was a good idea. I don't know what to say.
Worth checking out, right?
Yeah, it was worth checking out.
I know it seems sometimes hopeless and almost pointless.
No, when we were on the ground, I felt like
that was
doing well. Yeah, I just feel like...
You prefer ground searches, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know why, that's just... I mean, obviously around water, like on the edge of water, on the ground.
On ground. No. Not underwater or anything like that.
Oh, well, that's useful too.
Yes.
Depends on what you're looking for.
Yeah, just not weeds, because there's no, you like can't get to it.
There was just only thing I can think of is if we bring binoculars. So we could at least
see into the weeds.
See if it's a bottle or not really quick.
All right, that's going to do it for today. It's sun's going down, sun's setting, it's in our faces.
If you can't tell.
Yeah. So we are going to head home, get some takeout tonight probably. Thanks for all.
Definitely.
Thanks you all for coming along. Of course, thanks for your support on every single one of our searches in any way that you support us. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Would you still be there? falls apart, was he finally? If